Hey esteemed, welcome to AS Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of February 2nd, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, which state has launched its own bottled drinking water under the brand name Mission Bharat? So the answer is option A, Telangana, and the capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. And the Chief Minister of Telangana is Chandrasekhar Rao. Then moving on to the next question. Which organization has named 2020 as the worst year on record? So the answer is option C, UNWTO, United Nations World Tourism Organization, and the head of UNWTO is Zohrab, and the headquarters is located in Madrid, Spain. Then moving on to the next question. Microsoft has opened its new IDC facility in which city? So the answer is Noida. Noida is in Uttar Pradesh. And the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath, and the capital is Lucknow. Moving on to the next question. Which state has ranked first among the small states on the Indian Justice Report 2020? So the answer is Tripura, and capital of Tripura is Agartala. And the CM of Tripura is Biplab Kumar Deb. And the Chief Justice of Tripura is Akil Abdul Ahmed Qureshi. Akil Abdul Ahmed Qureshi. Then moving on to the next question. The Strategic Arms Reduction Treaty is an agreement between which of the following two countries? So the answer is USA and Russia. So the president of USA is Joe Biden and the president of Russia is Vladimir Putin. Then moving on to the sixth question. National Non-Communicable Disease Monitoring Survey was conducted during which year? So the answer is option C, 2017 to 18. As it comes under the Ministry of Health, you have to know the Minister of Health as well. So the Minister of Health is Harshavardhan. Then moving on to the next question. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Ayushman Bharat? So the answer is R.S. Sharma. As it comes under the National Health Authority, you should know the CEO of National Health Authority as well. So the CEO is Hindu Bhushan. Then moving on to the next question. Which state has collaborated with UNICEF for launching the GIS based dashboard for TEI? So the answer is Odisha, and the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. And you have to know the UNICEF head also. So the head of UNICEF is Henrietta H. Fore. And the headquarters is located in New York. Then moving on to the next question. Which telecom venture has become the world's 5th strongest brand? So the answer is Reliance, and we all know the CEO of Reliance is Mukesh Ambani. The CEO of Reliance Jio is Mukesh Ambani. Then moving on to the next question. Recently, RBI has cancelled the license of which of the following bank? So the answer is Shivam Sahakari Bank. And you should know that RBI governor is Shaktikant Das. So the license of Shivam Sahakari Bank has been cancelled because it does not have adequate capital and earning prospect. Then moving on to the next question. Which Indian public sector bank has raised 1,000 crore by issuing Basel III compliant bond? So the answer is Union Bank of India, and the CEO of Union Bank of India is Raj Kiran Rai. Then moving on to the next question. Which state's chief minister has unveiled the first indigenous metro racks at Charkop Metro Depot? So the answer is Maharashtra, and the chief minister is Uddhav Thackeray. And you have to know the capital as well. So the capital is Mumbai. And it comes under the department of Maha Metro. So you have to know the head of Maha Metro as well. So the head of Maha Metro is Durga Shankar Mishra. The head is Durga Shankar Mishra. Then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, which state ranked highest in Indian Justice Report 2020? So again the answer is Maharashtra. You already know the Chief Minister of Maharashtra and capital of Maharashtra. Here you have to make a note of Chief Justice of Maharashtra. So the Chief Justice of Maharashtra is Dipankar Datta. Then moving on to the next question. Who has established the innovative sandbox web portal? So the answer is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. As Bombay Stock Exchange comes under the Ministry of Finance, you should also know the minister. So the minister is Nirmala Sitharaman. And you should also know the BSE head is Sri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. And it is a web portal where fintech firms and individuals can do offline testing of their applications. I will repeat it again. Fintech firms and individuals can do offline testing of their applications here. So then moving on to the next question. Which region is the home to 428 species of birds as per the data of ZSI? So the answer is Sundarban, and it comes under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climatic Change. So the minister is Prakash Javadekar. And you should also know the ZSI, Zoological Survey of India's director. So the director of ZSI is Kailash Chandra. Then moving on to the next question. NCAF's India Forum 2021 has been organized by which ministry? So the answer is option A, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. You should also know the minister of this department. So the minister is D.V. Sadananda Gowda. So the minister is D.V. Sadananda Gowda. Then moving on to the next question. The 17th question is, which domestic tournament will not be organized by BCCI for the first time? So the answer is Ranji Trophy, and we all know that the BCCI's chairman is Sourav Ganguly. Then moving on to the next question. Which state will provide free books to the scheduled caste college students? So the answer is Haryana, and the capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. And you should also know the CM. So the Chief Minister of Haryana is Manohar Lal Khattar. And you should also know the Education Minister. So the Education Minister is Kanwar Pal. Then moving on to the next question. Who is the author of the book titled Yearbook? So the answer is option B, Seth Rogen. Then moving on to the next question. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of SBI Cards? So the answer is option C, Rama Mohan Rao Amara. So you should also know the SBI's chairman. So the SBI's chairman is Dinesh Kumar Khara. So SBI's chairman is Dinesh Kumar Khara, and the headquarters is located in Mumbai. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. If you feel that we are doing good, please tell us in the comment section below, because it means a lot to us. And if you have any doubt, please feel free to contact us in Facebook and Instagram. I'll be providing the ID. So that's it, meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me Harini signing off.